Right, so now that we have a few values in the database, it is now time that we connect this database with our website. Right, so I have a blank file here in Notepad++. I am calling it become.php. So make sure that you have the PHP extension because we'll be using PHP to connect this MySQL database to the website. So let me quickly take care of the basic HTML tags again. And I'll not add the head tag for now. Let me quickly add the body tags. And inside the body we'll have to add some code which will basically connect our website to the database. So you get the code ready made on W3 Schools. So what we are going to do here is we'll quickly go to w3schools.com and we'll select the learn PHP from the tutorials tab, and we'll scroll down till we find the MySQL database section, and we'll click on MySQL Connect. Right, so now when you go down, you find this procedural code here which is MySQLi procedural, and this particular piece of code will automatically connect. You just need to copy this and change the username and password here, and that will basically establish the connection to your database. But since we have to also select the values from the database sooner or later, a better thing would be to go to the MySQL select data panel here and copy this particular piece of code which basically selects the data from the database and displays it also. So let me quickly copy this and I'll paste it inside the body tab here because I want the values to be displayed inside my body, right? So now since you are running on a local server, the username by default is root and there is no password, so you can remove the password, but make sure you leave the double quotes as it is. And the name of the database in my case is becoming a guru, so let me change that also. Now what this piece of code here does is it is selecting a few values from their database and it is displaying it back to the user. But since right now we are only concerned with connecting it to the website, let me remove this, and what we'll add here is we'll add an else clause here and we'll just say echo connection successful. Right, so that should do. So basically if there is no connection here, it will basically say that the connection has failed, else it will tell us that the connection is successful. Right, so let us save this. And now for running this, what you need to do is you need to open the localhost again, and after the localhost, in place of this dashboard, you need to write the name of the file, which in my case is become.php. So as you can see, it is showing connection successful here, which basically means that we have successfully established the connection to our database. Right, so that is how you establish the connection to your database and the website.